Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Tired of repetitive tasks or juggling apps? Today we're exploring n8n, a powerful no-code tool that helps you automate, save time, boost productivity, and even build smart bots that work with AI. Let's dive in. So, what exactly is n8n? Let's break it down. The name n8n actually stands for node to node. At its core, n8n is a workflow automation tool. Think of it like digital Lego blocks. You connect these blocks, called nodes, to make your different apps and services talk to each other and get work done automatically. Each node performs a small, specific action, and when you link them together, you create a powerful automated process or workflow. Now, you might have heard of tools like Zapier, Make, or Pabbly. n8n is in that family, but it has some massive advantages. It's open source, which generally means it's incredibly powerful, highly flexible, and often free to get started with, especially if you choose to host it yourself. This flexibility is key. It means you're not just connecting apps in a basic way. You can build completely custom integrations, use advanced logic to make decisions within your automations, and, as I mentioned, even host it on your own server for total control. How does n8n actually work? It's all about those workflows built with nodes. Every workflow starts with a trigger node. This is what kicks off your automation. It could be a new email arriving, an update in a Google Sheet, a new sale in your online store, or even just a set time, like every morning at 9 a.m. Once the trigger fires, action nodes take over. These are the workhorses. An action node might read data from a file, send an email, update a customer record, post to social media, or make a decision based on the information it receives. The data simply flows from one node to the next, like an assembly line. What can you do with n8n? Let's get practical. The possibilities are huge. Let's talk about automating those repetitive tasks. Example: imagine processing customer purchase orders that come in via email. Instead of manually opening each email, copying details and pasting them somewhere, n8n can automatically read new emails, extract the customer's information and order details, save all that data neatly into a Google Sheet. And here's a sneak peek into the AI part. It can even send a personalized reply to the customer using an AI like ChatGPT. All of this completely hands-free. Connecting tools that don't natively talk to each other. Ever wished you could automatically create a new task in Notion every time you get an important WhatsApp message? n8n can bridge that gap. Or maybe when someone buys from your Shopify store, you want to send them an automated welcome message on Telegram? n8n makes that happen. n8n supports connections with over 400 different applications and services. We're talking Google and Google Sheets, Notion, Discord, Slack, Twilio, and crucially for our discussion today, AI platforms like OpenAI's ChatGPT. The AI superpower, n8n with AI agents. All right, this is where it gets really exciting for anyone interested in AI. n8n allows you to build AI-powered bots and supercharge your automations. You can easily connect AI services like ChatGPT directly into your n8n workflows. Let's revisit that purchase order example with AI in full focus. Trigger: a new email with a purchase order lands in your inbox. Action 1. n8n reads the email, grabs the order details and the customer's name. Action 2: n8n sends this information to an OpenAI node, ChatGPT, with a clear instruction, something like, write a friendly personalized confirmation email to customer name about their order for order details and let them know we'll process it soon. Action 3, n8n gets the perfectly crafted email back from ChatGPT. Action 4, n8n automatically sends that personalized email to your customer. Think about what else you can do with AI-powered bots through n8n. Analyze incoming messages for sentiment or keywords. Write personalized email replies at scale. Automatically correct grammar and spelling in documents, generate creative social media content, even offer 24/7 intelligent customer support. And what's really cool is that n8n itself has tools for logic, filters, delays, and conditional steps. This means your AI-enhanced bots aren't just dumb repeaters. They can make smart decisions based on the data they process. Why n8n is a big deal? Build a business. You can actually use n8n to create automation services for clients or build products. Free and self-hostable. You can run n8n on your own computer or server, often for free. This means you can start exploring powerful automation and AI with zero or very low initial investment. Full control and privacy. Unlike some cloud-based platforms, with n8n, especially self-hosted, you have complete control over your data and your workflows. No relying on third-party servers if you don't want to, and full data privacy. n8n isn't just a tool. It's a powerful platform to automate, scale, and boost your productivity, especially with AI. Ready to build smart bots and streamline your workflow? Drop your ideas in the comments and don't forget to like the video if you found it helpful.